how to create a Google Merchant Center account. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly type Merchant Center account, and you will see it right here. So you just have to tap that one. Now, this is what it looks like, and we have options above. We have here sign in and sign up for free. Okay, so as you can see here, we have so every online retailer hoping to sell on Google Shopping should have this Google Merchant Center. Retailers can contribute product data to a merchant center, which can subsequently be used to feed adverts throughout Google services, including shopping. For retailers looking to advertise their products to a larger audience of course, online shoppers. So Google Merchant Center is a digital platform where online retailers upload product data that powers Google Shopping ads, formerly product listing ads. Retailers can use the Merchant Center to provide information like pricing and availability, which is then reflected in the ads served by Google for products and for appropriate search queries. You can also submit details about your e-commerce stores, shipping, and taxes in Merchant Center. So here on Merchant Account Center homepage, you will see these features right here, including frequently asked questions and how to boost your sales with paid ads. So if you have any questions with this platform, you just have to go to FAQ and you can see here some information about this. Okay, all you have to do is to read. Now, once you're okay with everything and you understood everything here, what you want to do is, of course, you need to click this sign up for free. Okay. So once you tap this sign up for free, then they will just ask for some basic information. Okay. So click this one. And this is what it looks like. So first you have to answer this. Tell Google about your business. It's very important. So do you sell products online? If yes, you have to paste your website right here. Do you have a brick and mortar store? If yes, tap yes. If no, then there is a suggestion right here. Okay. So now I'm going to enter or paste my Shopify website because I have my Shopify website. So I have to go to Shopify, copy, and then paste it right here. Now click no, and then tap continue. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Show your products on Google for free. So we have here some information. So you can just simply read this. And for you to know more about this merchant account center, where your products will show. So these are the places or the areas where your products will show. Now, what you need, of course, you need an online store. Okay. And then you need products, not services. So you have to take note of that. You need products, not services. Okay. And then after that, you just have to click continue to a merchant center once you read all the information right here and once you understood everything. So let customers discover your 6,606 products in Google. You just have to click this one, tap this one right here, and then continue. Or you can read for more information. Click get started, and this is what it looks like. So we have here overview. So if you want your, of course, merchant center to be more legit and people will see it as not a fake one, so you have to enter some information or basic information like your business address. Okay, we have here your phone number. You have to verify your phone number and you have to confirm your business. Tap confirm, add details to show how you ship your products, click add. And of course, you have to add your products. Now, the performance of everything, like your product performance, you will see it right here. So as you can see, no clicks because I haven't posted any products yet. Also for product status. Notifications, all notifications about your products, about your store, it will appear here. So when something needs attention, you just have to simply click this one. So when it comes to your products, when you want to add products, you just have to go to products and add your products right here. All the products will be shown here. Products that needs attention, you just have to see it right here. And of course, you have to respond to that quickly, okay? So you will see it right here. Any issues with your products. Sales tax, all the information about sales tax will appear right here. And automatic improvements such as automatic updates for prices, availability of products, and conditions will appear right here. Okay, so in short, you don't need any assistant for this. You can do it on your own using and with the help of Google Merchant Center. Okay, and then next, once you have added your products right here and you have the information about the notifications and everything, we can now proceed with the shipping and return. So what's inside the shipping and return? Obviously, if you tap this one, you will see a shipping information. Okay, so shipping information and also return policy. So add shipping information, you can simply add this button right here. So when you tap or click this add information, you will see this, or you can add or remove countries if you wanted to. Okay, so that's it when you tap this shipping information, and you can add some information about your products, your place, your address. Okay, and change the country if you want. So also when it comes to return policies, if you tap this return policies here, then you will see this. Start by adding a policy that applies to majority of your products. Click add return policy and that's it. Now moving on for business info, you just have to, click this confirm online store so that your store will be verified. As you can see, not yet verified. So you have to enter more information about this. So once you click this, and then you will see your Shopify store, which is of course what I pasted earlier. And then select how you want to verify. You can use your e-commerce, add an HTML tag, and so on. So I want to verify my Shopify online store. So how do you verify? How are you going to do it? How are we going to do it? And this is the instruction. All you have to do is to follow this one. So you just have to simply copy this one and then go to your online store, themes, and then actions and edit code. So if you want to know that, or if you want me to show that what it looks like, so all you have to do is to go to your Shopify, go to themes, and there you will see edit code. I mean, you can see live theme and then edit code, and what you're going to do is just simply paste that code that you have copied earlier in Merchant Center. Okay. And then once you're done, then all you have to do is to simply click verify your online store. You will receive a confirmation after that, and you can now proceed. So that's how easy it is. All you have to do is to follow this instruction and steps right here. So going back, aside from details, we have other options like stores and countries. So if we tap stores right here, okay, let me go back. If you tap stores, then you will see this. You can add store right here. Okay, so all you have to do is to click add store, then you can simply paste your store right here. Countries, information, you can add countries if you want. So you just have to click this button. Okay, so for marketing, we have here show your products organically across Google. You just have to click this one. If you want to promote your merchant center, okay, so you just have to simply follow this one to get more customers using ads. Okay, and I'm pretty sure you know about this and what is the advantage of promoting your website. Okay, so if you want to grow organically, then you can do this method. And once everything is okay, once your merchant center is doing well, then you can see the performance of your website, also your store. So if you want to know some information or the status or the performance, then you just have to go to performance, and here you will see the status of your website and your store. Again, so all you have to do is to create a Merchant Center account. You must have a Google account. Giving Google the details of your online store is the next step. Next, give your product details in a format that complies with Google's specifications. And lastly, you must connect your Google Merchant Center and Google Ads accounts in order to run shopping ads. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.